Hello there, today I'll show you how to get a modded version of the Bermuda Adventures on your phone, guys. No jailbreak, and this works on iOS and Android, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website called HexMods. As you can see, they have the Bermuda Adventures, so just go ahead and press on it and wait for it to download. Now if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but it's super insane. I'm not going to download this since I already have it, but if we go over to the App Store and type in the Bermuda Adventures, as you guys can see, it is super expensive, so let me just go ahead and type it in right here. As you can see, so here's the game, and then when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see it is super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go ahead and try this method out. It's super insane. You just got to go to the hex mods and type in Bermuda. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself if you need to, get the Bermuda Adventures modded versions. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So be sure to try this out. It's super insane, fully working modded version, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But if this video works for you guys, then I would like you to leave a like on the video, and you can subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this is the website right here, guys, the hex mods, and then they have Bermuda Adventures mod, so just press on that. And this site has a ton of mods for apps and games, as you can see, so there's some other stuff on here for you if you could be interested. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys. Fully working version. So if you do need to get this installed, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. It's pretty awesome. I have had zero complaints about it, and I have to tell you guys, if you play the Bermuda Adventures, you're going to want this installed on your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, so peace out.